Ever wonder why your images get squashed when you resize them? The aspect ratio property solves this problem elegantly. The aspect ratio property controls the width to height ratio of an element. It defines the proportional relationship between these two dimensions, ensuring your elements maintain their intended shape regardless of their size. Think of it as a constraint that keeps your boxes looking exactly how you designed them. The syntax is beautifully simple. You can write aspect ratio :16/9 for widescreen, or aspect ratio :1 for a perfect square. You can also use decimal notation like aspect ratio :1.78. The slash notation is most common and mirrors how we naturally talk about aspect ratios. Here's the magic. When you set only one dimension, the browser automatically calculates the other. Set the width and the height adjusts to match your aspect ratio. Set the height and the width follows suit. No manual math required, and your proportions stay perfect even when the viewport changes. You'll use this constantly for responsive images that don't distort, video containers that prevent layout shift, card components that stay uniform, and grid items that maintain consistent proportions. It's a game changer for modern responsive design. The aspect ratio property is your go-to tool for maintaining perfect proportions in responsive design. Practice this in your next project and watch your layout stay beautiful at any size. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.